Hey beautiful souls, I hope you guys are all doing super well today. I am so excited to share with you how to make this beautiful Dreamcatcher. It's using a different web technique than we usually do, and we are up to our 15th Dreamcatcher tutorial on this channel, which is awesome. If you guys are new and would like something custom made, just check out my Instagram and shopping links down below. I'd love to make something custom made for you. So let's not delay and jump right into today's tutorial. So first up, we are going to wrap the hoop. I'm just using some material and folding it double-sided, and then I'm going to cut some strips to wrap the hoop. This just allows the wrapping process to go a lot quicker. Under the hoop, I've already wrapped it in thick cotton yarn just to make it a bit thicker, and then I'm just going to take the material I cut up and just wrap it over the yarn just so it looks a bit more tidy. So to start, you're going to have to find some string. Try to find something thin and very strong so it's not going to snap. So anything that's not going to snap will be great. I'm going to use a synthetic sinew, so this is artificial, and I'm going to weave the web with this. But what you want to do is you can use a pen and you can just wrap as much yarn as you would like onto the pen. So just wrap it so it's in like a roll like this, just so it's easier to weave. You can weave with one big strip, but it will get tangled and it's very frustrating. So to begin, I am going to tie a knot, just a basic knot at the bottom of the hoop, and just do it 2 to 3 times. You can start anywhere on the hoop you would like to. I like starting at this angle, it just works better for me. You guys can start wherever you would like. So I'm just going to tie it. Make sure that you have secured it so tight that you are 100% sure it's not going to go anywhere, because if this comes loose, it will unravel your entire web and then all your hard work's gone. I'm going to show you a new weaving technique today. So the first one is going to be our basic weaving technique. So you take a string that's attached, you go around, you make this loop so it's in front, and you just pull it through. And you just make a loop like that. I'm just going to move it to the front just so it's got a neat starting finish. So then you just go like that and pull it around just like that, down, around and through. I always say this because it's just the easiest way to remember it. So it's down, around and through, and just make sure your spacing is even. And we're going to do that all the way around, and then I'm going to show you how to start the next circle. Our hero claims the warrior's side. Okay, so now it's time to start the next round, and I'm going to show you guys a different weaving technique than I've taught you before. If you would like to just keep doing it step by step, continue the exact thing, just continue onwards, but I'll show you the new step. So all you have to do is just loop it and just leave it. So it's going to move to the back there, but don't stress. Literally just keep looping it. And I'll show you what will happen. I find this technique's really good if you would like a really intricate web, because it allows you to stretch out the loops a bit more for when you're going to go into a finer detail, and I'll show you. So when you pull this, it actually pulls to the center, but don't pull it too much as you're going, just gently, just because you don't want it to make too much of a right angle shape. You kind of do want the Dreamcatcher to still have a circular weave. You'll understand what I mean as we get further. So all you're doing is just looping it through. You're not doing the normal Dreamcatcher stitch, you're just looping. Our hero claims the warrior's side. I'll tell you, the dragonborn comes. With a voice wielding power of the ancient order. Believe, the dragonborn comes. It's an end to evil. I'll also show you how to make a loop for the Dreamcatcher. So all you have to do is fold a piece of string in half and then tie a knot at the base of the string. So about that much is enough space. So you just created a loop, and then just with your scissors you just cut. So now you've just got a basic hanging loop. So now you just take the loop, push it through and loop it in on itself like that. To attach the hanging tassels, you just need to take a material of your choice, take it to the length you would like the Dreamcatcher to be, then fold it in half, cut the bottom strand. Then once you've got this loop like this, you're just going to pull it through the hoop over there. Whoop. And then you're just going to take the ends and pull it through the loop you just created and then pull down. So that's all we're going to be doing all over it.
Our hero claims the warrior's heart. I'll tell you, the dragonborn comes with a voice wielding power of the ancient order. Believe, the dragonborn comes. It's an end to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, the dragonborn comes. For the darkness has passed and legend echoes. You'll know the dragonborn's come.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you guys would like a custom order, just check out my links in the description box and comment on some future videos you would like to see. I'll see you next week's video. Bye!